Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I just got back from the Dollar Tree. I want to show you some items in a minute, but I wanted to do a video telling you about announcements, opportunities, challenges, and collabs that I know about and hope that you will participate. It's how we get to know one another within the community. It is November 1st, 2024. I cannot believe it. We're going to look up and it's going to be Mother's Day 2025. However, yesterday we feel so bad about it. One of the trick-or-treater videos got left out. Please forgive us, but we want to show you that right now.
Sorry, Dory.
I just got back from the Dollar Tree, and what did I buy? Well, I had big bags, but I went and got a 2025 calendar, $1.50, and look, it has a carry calendar too. I'm going to put that in my Smart Doll bag that I carry with me on Mondays and when I take my Smart Doll places. And I keep two other calendar books, one in the living room where I sit on my computer and one at the dining room table where I sit, because I got tired of getting up and looking at the calendar in the kitchen on the wall where I check every morning to see what I should be working on. And so I got one, and then it was either, every time I needed it, it was either in the living room or I got two, so because I'm lazy. And then they also had something really fun. You might want one too. It's one of those coloring books for pens, the gel pens. Yeah, I haven't done that in years. I'm going to have Darren bring those in. He works a lot of evenings, and I wait for him to go up to bed. So they have a Christmas one. I thought it was cool. I bought it. Okay, fasten your seatbelts. I'm going to try to go through this quickly. If you know of other opportunities and challenges, etc., please put it in the comments, and people can go through and write those down too. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil. I'm going to start in November. If I leave things out, you're going to have to forgive me. November 3rd, the 3rd of each month is always a Maya Rain Day. That is any Shadow High or Rainbow High or Shadow High doll. And what we do is we give a theme. When I say we, I mean Dory at Dory's Dollies and we host that one. And you just take those dolls and do anything you want. On the 7th of each month, if you'll tune in to, oh gosh, let me see if I can remember. Penny at Playful Reborns, Tina at Tina's Reborns and More, J Dolls UK, and if there's someone else, forgive me. They give their elf announcements, and that is the opportunity to take any elf doll you have, dress it up to a theme, set it up in a theme, and join in with them on the 21st. Dory and I give our Dolls Gone Goth announcements on the 9th of each month. That is, we give you a word or a theme or whatever, and that the day of the challenge is on the 16th. That's every month on those. The 18th the 18th is Hi Barbie, and that again is Dory and I. Any Barbie doll from this size to the 38 inch. We don't care. We just want to have fun. All of these are just to get together and do something fun and get to know one another a little better. That way, when you meet up at a doll show, you know a little bit about the person, and it makes it so much more fun. The 21st is Elf Day. That is the day that their challenge is up. Each month, there are channels that do weekly. Tracy at Eclectic Wondering does Show and Tell Wednesday. Penny at Playful Reborns does Wild Wednesday. J Dolls has one, and I can't remember what it is. Something about new clothes, and I forget the day, Jay. I'm sorry. Then there's Cheeky Monkey Monday. Now that's a fun one. Any monkey at all, I don't even think they do a theme. Just show your monkeys on a Monday. December.
Wait, and isn't there like a Friday, Flashback Friday?
Yes, that's Dory. Flashback Friday. Yeah, you're right. Thank you. Can you think of any others?
No, but I absorb a little bit through osmosis. So.
Darren and I, in the mornings, we sit right next to each other at the dining room table, and our computers are right, our laptops are right next to it. So he knows your voices and stuff while he's working. I'm watching, different ones on my computer. December. Again, Amaya Rain on the 3rd, Elf announcement on the 7th, 9th is the Dolls Gone Goth announcements, Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th, Hi Barbie.
Wait, the 9th though is also Hi Barbie and Amaya Rain
announcements
also.
Right.
You do them all on the 9th.
We do. Thank you for saying that. I appreciate it. My cameraman knows more of what's going on than I do. But he stands behind the counter and hears it, or the camera and hears it all. Hi Barbie is the 18th. The 21st is the Elves. On the 24th, and I think it was Ayla, God forgive me, whoever it was, I have written in Yuletide Ball. Somebody asked me if I wanted to do a collab on that, and I think it was going to be a challenge. I will get more information. If it was you, contact me. Tina at Tina's Reborns did in October a, Dolloween, and in December in the past she has done Dollmas, and it's like 13 days and you do different things. Maybe we can get more information on that. January, again, repeat of the others. Amaya Rain the 3rd, the Elf announcement the 7th, Dolls Gone Goth, Hi Barbie, Amaya Rain announcements on the 16th.
9th.
Thank you. Thank God my cameraman's younger than I am. Hi Barbie on the 18th. And then we have a Smart Doll Winterfest. That's going to be hosted by Darren and I. It's going to be an online Smart Doll or any ball jointed 24-inch or whatever size you want to use. We don't care. It is centered on Smart Dolls. Any doll at all is invited. I have $12 24-inch ball jointed dolls from AliExpress that I love. They will be there, at least one of them. It's going to be, Friday night's going to be it's all online. It'll all be private. Friday night's going to be the introduction, getting to know one another, getting to know if you have a channel or an Instagram account, and subscribing and interacting that way with one another. The whole purpose of this is to get to know one another. A lot of times we have somebody, and I tell the story all the time, I have somebody less than 10 miles from me that not only has Smart Dolls, sews for them. She now crochets and knits. I meet her on Monday mornings, and we met because she was carrying, it's Nicole at Not the Cool Dolls, and she and John, we've met for lunch, and we meet Monday mornings, Nicole and I, at the Library Yarns here in town. It's crazy. If I didn't know, I'd be missing out on a lot of fun. That's what the Smart Doll Winterfest is about. To get to know one another, to find out about other channels, to find out about Instagram accounts, just, that sort of thing. But there's also going to be photo contests, and we're going to show photos. Hopefully at all of them. We're going to have guest speakers, really cool guest speakers. I'll talk more about that later. And sewing contests, knitting and crocheting contests. I'm trying to think what else. Anyway, more on that later. March, we're going to do, Darren and I are going to host once again a Blythe collab. And even if we're sending out, I don't know, what do we have, 6 dolls? Some of them are in there, that's why I'm looking. Light pink haired Blythes that we're going to turn into pastel princesses, much like we have done in the past with the purple-haired bunnies and the neon pink-haired fairies. But even if I don't send you a doll, you are invited in the collab. The difference between a challenge and a collab, a challenge, you let us know in the comments that you have a video. In a collab, it's a chain link. We all list everybody within the collab, and then you can just click to the next channel, click to the next channel, click to the next channel. And that's what we're going to do. And I have some really exciting news, and then I'm going to wrap this up because this is all I know at this time. Tammy Powley at Peacecraft Dolls and Terry at Be Creative, Terry Jeanette, have set the date for the virtual Blythe, what do they call it? Retreat. And those dates are going to be June 20th through the 22nd. And mark your calendars now, because last year I wasn't able to participate. It was on our anniversary date, and I really missed doing it. So those are the dates we have right now. I hope you will write them down. Go get a calendar. Go get a, what do we call these, date book planners to write everything in so that you have it. You can look ahead. I keep one in my kitchen. Honest to God, while I'm brushing my teeth, I'm looking at the calendar. What am I working on today? It's good to get to know one another, and it's a lot of fun. Dory, again, we are so sorry. We felt so bad. We felt terrible. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for just being part of the community. Please leave a like, a comment, and please subscribe to keep updated to all the events, announcements, challenges, and collabs.